finish up the Shim Sham today, it looked like this, starting from our breaks section. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, we rock, 8, we rock, we talked about how we go through the whole section again without the breaks, and then we have, at the end of all of everything, we have our movie back section. 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. 5, 5, 5, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then you dance. That's the end of the Shim Sham. We also started the Alan Leon Shim Sham. We did just the first few bits of that. That looked like this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7,